This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Janek, nee, die gaat dat niet. Met een high kick. Waarom high kick? Janek, the name has been there the entire time. It's not Sunday Fun Day or Filmmaker React, it's just Cinebattle, because actually what we've been doing, or what I've been doing for the most part, are just challenges, like filmmaking challenges. So that's what we're gonna do. Cinebattle is back!
High kick!
Alright, so this time Jill over there prepared a video for us. We get an assignment. I heard that we have 1 hour to complete something. Some kind of filmmaking task. So let's see what that task is and let's get with it. The viewer can decide who will be the best one. So which result is going to be the best? Is that Team Blue or Team Red? Obviously me, but let's just do the challenge anyways. Let's have a look at it because I'm really excited.
Very excited.
Janek and Jordy, are you ready? It said first Jordy, but whatever. You have 1 hour to recreate this effect. All right. What? 1 hour? What?
Damn it, Jill.
That's impossible. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action.
I don't have a camera. I'm taking this one. God damn it.
19% battery. This starts great.
What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm making tracking marks.
I got my camera. No, I need a tripod. I'm gonna take this tripod.
Oh, damn it, where am I?
I don't have a flip screen.
I don't know where I'm gonna put it. It's mirrored, I don't know.
2 minutes have passed already.
This. No. I stole a card.
What? I have no idea what's on the monitor right now. It's pretty dark.
There's too much lighting.
Ah!
I killed Justine. Let's cover her up. Okay. Can you press record? No, you can't. Are you sure?
Always need tracking marks.
Jarvis, how are my vitals doing?
Is it with sound or without, Jill?
I'm doing with sound.
Okay, shut up. Not doing great, so I'm going for the victory.
I was too quick. I spilled some water. Try this mouse.
Allee, jongen! Where's my mouse?
This is not my mouse. Photoshop.
Guys, 46 minutes left.
Oh, we can do that. I can do that.
No, I don't know.
I don't know what I'm doing.
He's watching his own tutorials.
I'm looking for the date from this video because I know I made a sci-fi interface for this video.
Right now, I'm removing my tracking marks, which I actually didn't need it after all.
I'm doing perfect. No, I'm not. Completely a lie.
I think he gave up on making his own HUD. Yeah. He downloaded a bunch from Storyblocks.
You downloaded the same! I saw you!
That's true. But I am gonna try to make one myself.
My tracking won't work.
5 more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes.
No problem for me.
I'm not gonna make it! Ah! I'm still tracking. Yay!
If the tracking doesn't work, use the 3D camera tracker. So I went for the 3D camera tracker from the start.
Why isn't it tracking?
You know what, Janik? Maybe I win the video challenge, but you can still win the website building challenge. Who knows? Only if there was like a super easy to use web builder where you can just drag and drop videos, blocks, maybe even create a web shop. I wonder if something is out there that we can make a website within an hour. Oh wait, there is! It is Squarespace.com, today's sponsor. Definitely make sure to check it out, guys, because if you want to build your own website within an hour, it is possible. You can start by choosing from a bunch of high quality templates and from there just customize the look of your website. You can add in new menu items, create pages, add photos in there, create albums, videos, blogs, and so much more. The backend also offers you some analytics tools so that you can see what works and what doesn't work on your website. And if you're still stuck on something, well, just contact their award-winning support and they'd be happy to help you further. And by the way, guys, if you would like to get 10% discount, well, then make sure to click the first link in the description below or just use the code Cinecom at checkouts.
10 seconds, guys.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was it, guys. We are done. I was done for a long time. I was actually doing some other work in the meantime. Anyways, we are done now. So let's render it out, go downstairs and see what we've made. It's gonna be fine, Janet. All right, let's first have a look at the original clip first to see how wrong we were. Because we couldn't remember like how close we should have been and like how the lighting was. I didn't pay attention to that. No, we were just like, okay, it's that effect.
I need to make it.
Oh, we just have 1 hour.
I need to make it.
So let's have a look. I'm really curious. That's way closer.
That's way closer. And
all right, here's mine. See here, winner, Janik? No, it's not. It's Jordy. Yeah, there we go. I think my lighting is completely off. It's just way too much light.
Yeah, you're too bright. You have no shadows.
Way too bright. And I thought about it, like, that I was too bright, and I was trying to lower the brightness with Lumetri, but you can do that to a little extent, but not too much. I just don't have shadows in my face. There are no shadows, just flat.
If I see his clip now, he does like no movement.
He does almost no movement. And we were just standing there.
Like swiping with our hands.
And then we were complaining, the tracking won't work. Now we know why. Okay, so this was mine. Pay attention to the details, like here, winner, Jordy.
Yeah, sure.
You know? So you guys can already start by voting. Yeah. And a card up there, just vote Jordy. Because
also, look at the details, like it's overexposed.
Okay, here's Janik. The elements just are there. they're just there.
Always there.
They don't animate in or something.
It's like a map. He needs to see where I'm going, where it's going.
Yeah.
I used the green big tracking markers. I thought, oh, I can mask it out, but no, you can't. No, not with that movement. So I went back and filmed it all again. Also did the 3D tracking. But I forgot to set my ground plane, so everything was like...
It's going everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah, if you're doing a 3D camera tracking like on a 2D plane, which is essentially this, then always make sure to right-click on your surface where you want to start placing your elements and say set ground plane and origin. Yeah. Really important, because if you're going to say then create camera, those elements will then stick to that point. Otherwise, they'll stick
everywhere.
Everywhere, somewhere else.
Most important thing. Jarvis, what are my vital signs?
They are fine, sir.
Okay. Thanks, Jarvis.
I think we're going to leave it here, guys. It's going to be up to you who wins this Cinebattle. Vote up there,
Team
guys.
Blue.
You can vote for Team Blue or for Team Red. Doesn't matter. I will always love you guys.
B-L-U-E.
Let's just quit right here. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you, Squarespace, for the support. And as always, stay creative.
Jordy! Janik! Lorenzo! Guys, where are you?